Salam everyone, welcome to Mama Loop channel. Today we are making Lahori chicken Karahi. Let's make it together. Heat 1/4 cup of oil, keeping the flame on high for the whole duration. Add 1 kg of chicken to it, fry it, stirring constantly. Add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste and fry it along with the chicken. Fry it till the raw smell of the ginger garlic paste goes away and the chicken turns golden in some places. Add half kg chopped tomatoes. Add half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1.5 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 tablespoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon red crushed pepper, 1 teaspoon salt. Stir and let it all cook on high flame. Keep stirring. Continue cooking this mixture for about 20 minutes. The oil will separate, the tomatoes will thicken and begin to coat the chicken. Add half cup Greek yogurt. Add 1 teaspoon crushed black pepper, 1 teaspoon mughliai Garam masala, 1 teaspoon roasted crushed coriander and cumin seeds. Add 1 chopped green chili or as per taste. Stir. Reduce the heat to low and let everything simmer together for 5 minutes with the lid on. Avoid adding water unless absolutely necessary. Stir. Garnish with Julienne cut ginger and coriander, green chilies. Serve with naan, paratha or rice.